Hey mama, it is that time of year again. It is back to school. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing some of my favorite back to school diffuser recipes to help you and your kiddos to get off to the best possible start to this school year. Hi, I'm Stephanie Calderon. I'm a certified essential oil specialist. I have used essential oils for 14 years and have been teaching other mamas like yourself how to use them to help you and your family with natural remedies. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button and like and comment on this video so that you always are notified when I put out a new video. So one of the things when it's a new school year is we have been out of a routine for quite a long time. So it's very challenging to get back into a routine. So a morning diffuser blend to help get the energy going, mood high, is really important. So do 2 drops of peppermint, 2 drops of wild orange, and 1 drop of eucalyptus in the diffuser in the mornings. Again, this is going to keep moods high, get some energy going in the morning. The other routine that is going to have to be started again is bedtime routine. So what diffuser blend should you put in there so that everything starts to calm down, wind down, and your kids get the best possible sleep? You're going to want to do 2 drops of lavender, 1 drop of vetiver, and 1 drop of cedarwood. All of these essential oils are super calming, and they also help slow the racing brain down so that you create a calm environment as your kiddos are winding down for their bedtime routine. The other diffuser blend that's super important as they're out there being exposed to lots more people than they were over the summer potentially is an immune boosting diffuser blend. So you're going to do 2 drops of On Guard, 1 drop of frankincense, 1 drop of lemon, and 1 drop of tea tree oil. All of these essential oils have been studied for their immune boosting properties, so they are great to put together to have this powerhouse of essential oils to keep the kids' immune systems super high. I hope that these diffuser recipes have been helpful to you. If you want to check out this video, I also have other kid-safe essential oil blends, and make sure that you download my free copy of kid-safe essential oil recipes. It will be linked in the description below. Thank you for joining me. I hope that this video of diffuser recipes have been very helpful to you.